If you're stuck in a one-sided relationship where only you're putting in the effort, it's time to wake up and take action. Using silence can make her mind swirl with thoughts about you. Today, I'll share 4 reasons why your silence can explode in a woman's mind and often push her to finally value you. If you want to know more, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's get started. Number 1. The idea that you might be interested in someone else. Do you think you can keep accepting this situation, acting like a fool while she does whatever she wants? Enough! When a man goes silent and becomes colder, the first thing that crosses a woman's mind is that he's interested in another woman. That's right, another woman! Many women can't see their own mistakes in the relationship, and to justify your disappearance, they invent the excuse that you're getting involved with someone else. It's ridiculous, but that's how it works. She starts to panic, afraid of losing you to someone else. She won't reach out to you directly, but will stalk your social media, watching your every move. This is what silence does. It drives her crazy, creating scenarios in her mind, imagining you with another woman. In many cases, in the desperation of these fantasies, she starts chasing after you, wanting to show that being with her is much more advantageous than replacing her with someone else. She'll try everything to hold on to you, but this is when you need to be firm. Don't let her use these tactics to manipulate you. You deserve someone who values you without needing to play mind games. Open your eyes and see the truth. Silence can be your most powerful weapon. Number 2. Her withdrawal from you makes her feel empty. Are you tired of being her doormat? Know that your constant presence might be completely underestimated. When you decide to disappear, she will miss you like never before. This is a fact. If you were a constant presence in her life and she liked that but never valued it, you can bet she will feel a tremendous withdrawal from your presence. She might try to fill the void you left with other things, but it won't last. She will try to get close to you again. Many men think that when they disappear, the woman will be thankful. But that's an illusion. Often, she only values what she had when she realizes you are truly distancing yourself. That's when she starts getting restless, sending messages, trying in every way to get your attention and bring you back. If after you distance yourself, she starts reaching out to you more, be sure, she's desperate, missing your presence. It's time to stop being nice and realize that she needs to miss you to value you. Don't be fooled. Use silence as a tool of power. She needs to understand what she's losing. Number 3. She starts to doubt your interest. Enough of being walked all over. When you start to pull away, she will begin to doubt your interest, questioning if you still care. And you know what's worse? This hits her ego directly. She'll spend energy and time trying to show she doesn't care about your silence, but inside, she'll be seething with anger. She'll do everything to get your attention, to prove that you are missing out by distancing yourself. Don't let her manipulate you. When women think a man is disinterested, they can't stand being at a disadvantage. They want to show they are superior, but the truth is, they are desperate to have you back. Use this to your advantage. Stop being the doormat she steps on and start valuing yourself. If she thinks you've lost interest, let her work to win you back. Silence is your most powerful weapon against her ego. Don't be fooled by her attempts to manipulate you. Be firm. Make her chase after you. It's time to reverse the roles. Number 4. She starts to reflect on her own actions. Do you think it's fair to keep carrying the weight of this relationship alone? Of course not. When you use silence, you force the woman to reflect on her own actions and attitudes. Without you there to divert her attention, she starts to reassess what went wrong and how her actions may have contributed to the distance. She will realize that her actions have consequences and that you are no longer willing to tolerate disrespect. This introspection is necessary for her to start valuing what she had. She will understand that she needs to change, correct her mistakes, and work to regain the lost connection. Silence, in this case, acts as a mirror that makes her see her flaws and strive for improvement. Enough of being her doormat. Make her feel the need to work hard to have you back. She needs to realize that you won't accept anything less than you deserve. It's time for her to reflect and understand that to be with you, she needs to value and respect you. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of the video. I hope these 4 points have helped you understand the power of silence and how it can be a potent tool to transform your relationship. Remember, you deserve to be valued and respected. Don't hesitate to use silence to assert yourself and make her realize what she's missing out on. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Share it with a friend who might need to hear this too. And of course, share your thoughts and experiences on the topic in the comments below. Let's keep growing together, learning and evolving. See you next time.